everyone and welcome back to a new studio vlog. I don't know exactly yet what you will be seeing in this vlog because I'm planning on doing more of a weekly vlog, so taking you around with me for a whole week and show you what I will be up to. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you enjoy. So I just wrote down this little plan for the week to give me a better overview of the things that need to be done. And as you can see, Monday and Thursday are my 2 days which I completely block for packing orders, because I'm not packing orders on a daily basis anymore, just because I think it gives me a bit of a better structure and also gives me the freedom to use the other days of the week completely for doing other stuff and bigger projects, which is especially useful this week because, as you can see, I don't have too many to-dos on my list, but that just has to do with the fact that each of the to-dos are bigger ones. Like on Friday, for example, I have to edit photos and update the shop, and since I don't do this on a regular basis, I can't say exactly how long that will take me. It's usually something between 2 to 4 hours for each of the steps, and therefore I think planning on only those 2 for Friday seems realistic to me. Also, something else which I just newly implemented into my work week is having at least one creative day a week. And normally that's Wednesday for me, but this week I need to take some photos for the shop, and Wednesday is actually a bit of a better day weather-wise, so I decided to switch my creative day from Wednesday to Tuesday. But other than that, this plan looks pretty fine to me. Look what the mailman just brought in. A big bunch of new temporary tattoo sheets. I had to place a order for some new sheets because I actually already sold out of some of the old designs, like all of these butterfly bumblebee ones over here and these 2 floral ones. And since I had to order a whole sheet, I decided to also add in some new designs, like this big rose over here and all of these color ones here. And let's be honest, I was really scared to order these because I've never done color tattoos before and I wasn't so sure how the colors would turn out in real life. But now that I see them, I have to say I'm pretty happy with them. Also, these will all be cut into single sheets, and actually, I think I'm going to start with this now. I got a pretty good amount done today, and these should probably last me a while, but as you can see, still a long way to go. Also, I need to buy some more of these little drawers here because this is where I store all of my tattoos, and I'm slowly running out of space because these are all full. So need to pay IKEA a visit soon. Look at this. It was the nicest warm and sunny weather the last couple of days, but now it's snowing again. And I thought we were heading into spring, but apparently, no. Quick little photo setup for today because I need to shoot some photos for a new header. Also, if you need to take photos and ask yourself what this is a nice little DIY. I know you can also buy reflectors, but this I think just cost me under €1 because it's basically just some tin foil wrapped around old cardboard. And what should I say? It does its job, helps with lighting and reduces any harsh shadows. See? With a DIY reflector and without. With and without. Not bad, huh? Guys, look at these hyacinths. Aren't these the most pink flowers you've ever seen? I actually don't know if they appear on camera as pink as they are in real life, because in real life they are really popping. But I guess you can get an idea. And also, these smell so beautifully. In fact, I actually think that hyacinths and lilac is probably my favorite smell when it comes to flowers. So yeah, really enjoying those at the moment.